Hey guys, Will Jacobs here with Jacobs Ford and RV out at 303 2nd Street in St. Paul, Nebraska. That's just 20 minutes north of Grand Island along Highway 281. I'm really excited to show you guys this 2023 Leprechaun Coachmen 230 FS. This is one of my very favorite floor plans. I think it's going to be a great option for anybody looking at Class Bs or for small families, somebody looking to downsize. There's just so much flexibility with this unit, so let's not take too much time. Let's go take a look at it. This Coachmen 230 FS is on the Ford E450 Super Duty chassis with the 7.3 liter V8 gas motor. As a Ford store, we are beyond excited that Coachmen is throwing that motor on this unit because it provides an overkill amount of power. And we think here at Jacobs Ford, go big or go home. You've got a 17-foot awning out here with an LED strip light. Probably kind of hard to see, but provides ample amounts of shade, especially when it gets hot out here. And then you've got a nice little solar port. So if you have an aftermarket solar panel, it's easy to set up at the campsite right beside the door. And then you have a 68-pound propane tank, easy to access, easy to fill. That's a lot of propane. You got exhaust in your hot water heater access. Do have a port out here, so if you want to charge your phones or maybe you want to set up a TV out here, again, easy does it. Low point drain and an LP quick disconnect on the rear, so if you have a grill or a griddle, perfect spot for it right towards the rear of the coach. And then you have an outdoor shower. Here's your tank flush. And talking about that 7.3 liter gas motor that we love here at Jacobs Ford, you get a hitch rated at 7,500 pounds of max towing capacity. And our tow company that we use, unbiased source, told us they had a mid-size unit on the back of this, pulled with no issues in heavy wind. So we'd love to hear that. You do have your backup camera as well as a fully walkable roof, but with one hand and staring at the camera, I'm not gonna chance it for you guys. Tons of storage right here, really deep as well. And then beneath the bed, you have a great spot for lawn chairs, or maybe you're one of those fancy guys that throws out that fake turf grass at the patio, on your patio. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bunch of storage available. And then you got your fill right here, and then your 30 amp plug-in. Access to the back of the fridge from the outside, which is huge, super convenient. Gonna have some electrical goodies in here, as well as if you had to throw something small, you certainly could. Then you've got your gas generator by Awning, the QG 4000. And then you get back to your truck. You've got on either side, you have your side camera. So when you turn the blinker on, say I turn the blinker on left, it's gonna show me this entire driver's side wall. Just really good for driver convenience and safety. Now I wanna show you the inside of this 230 FS with the slide out in first. And before we get to that, you got your fuse box with your battery switch, your energy command center for your generator, as well as a Quadra Bigfoot auto leveling system. This is really user-friendly, very convenient. Once you get to the site, you just turn it on and hit a couple buttons and you're good to go. Let it do the work. Bunch of switches for your lights, tank heaters, water heater, water pump. You do have a Wi-Fi extender as well. Here's for the slides and the generator. You know, you got two buttons. You got either up here for the generator or down here. I find myself out of habit just hitting this. And you also can see how full your black tanks are. And thank goodness from the factory they come empty. Otherwise we'd have a serious talking to with somebody. But you'll see this slide is completely in, and there's still a lot of room to make sandwiches, have lunch. And then if you have to use the restroom, just pull over. No need to put the slides out because there's tons of space already. Easy access to the bathroom. And I'll touch on this in a second once I get the slides out. Get you a quick look at the driver's seats. Pretty standard from a Ford perspective. I got the wheels turned so it looks jazzy in the pictures. Here's your control center. And then you also have your cameras right there. So if you had your left blinker on, the left sidewall turns on, same for the right. And then you have swivel chairs. And also this piece, you can hide this. It just lifts out of there. But I kind of like it there for demonstration purposes, as well as this seat is swiveled. Both of them swivel. I just turned them around to show you that this particular unit does have swivel chairs. So if you're chilling with your kids and they're all eating, making fun of you, eating the good food while you get the scraps, and then your overhead bunk, overcap bunk, I already put that slot in there, but this thing is huge. I am 6'3" and I fit up here comfortably. You could fit two of me up there comfortably and we could sleep just fine. And then you have this little catcher here. So if you're worried about your kid rolling around, or if you have luggage, if you're just using this area for luggage, it's easy to do. And then just clip these off. And let's see if I can one hand this. Pull this TV out. And so now you have a TV for your entire unit. The U-shaped booth dinette does convert into another sleeping spot. Again, you can probably fit two of me right here at 6'3", except we wouldn't be as comfortable on this as we would up there. But this converts into a bed, and you can sit 3 people while driving. You got 3 seat belts back here, as well as a massive window. So imagine being parked out by the lake and seeing this view, or mountains in the outside. Oh man, gets me ready, gets me jacked for camping season. The weather's nice out here in central Nebraska. Got a 12-volt fridge right here. Lots of space. Like I said, this is a great unit for even small families. You know, most units this size do not have a fridge that big. And then you got your queen bed in the corner. Again, massive window back here. If I can not fall over while filming and show you guys. Got your switches for your lights and some charging ports right there. Bunch of overhead space. Easy to access. And then in the back, you also have very deep storage. You can hang your clothes, and then you have, even further back, you got your shelf system. You got some more shelves under here that pull out, or drawers, I should say. Lots of flexibility for packing for a trip. And if you need a little privacy at night, just undo this. It's Velcro. Comes over, gets you a little privacy curtain there. Here's a shot from the living room of the privacy curtain. I am going to slide this back to demonstrate that there are 3 max air fans in here. So one in your bedroom, one above the cab, and then one in this bathroom here, which is a very nice size. For being a 26-foot unit, you get a lot of space in this thing. So you got some storage below the sink. You got a nice spot for your toiletry items above the toilet. And then you do have this, it's a round shape here, so you get a little more radius in the shower. And then I don't mind this kind of plastic cover there. Otherwise, you wouldn't have an option for having more space in the shower. Spot to hang all your towels. And then you do have a 3 burner range, as well as a little oven below it. Gosh, there's so many possibilities. You got a convection microwave. Nice one large open sink. I prefer that between the ones that are split in half. That's just my personal preference. You got a massive space down here for a garbage can and some other stowed away items. Got your drawers that come out. And then you got really, really deep storage up here. You can store a lot of stuff up here. Then you've got your central air conditioning unit. This is going to cool down a 26-foot unit extremely quickly. Giving you a final look at how much sunlight is drawn in by these massive windows. This whole coach just brings the outdoors in. Well, there you have it, guys. 2023 Leprechaun Coachmen 230 FS at Jacobs Ford and RV in St. Paul, Nebraska. My name is Will Jacobs. I'm the youngest in our family's business. Me and my older brother Dustin being the 5th generation. Our store's been here for 95 years, and we're a Ford and RV store. If you've got any technical questions about this unit, I know I just gave you a quick walkthrough. There's stuff I missed. Feel free to comment below or text me directly at 308-750-4857. More information below. Otherwise, you guys have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the video.